Hello, friends! Let's go on an animal adventure. We'll meet animals and hear the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a cow. Can you say cow? Coo. And the cow says moo. This is a hen. She goes cluck, cluck, cluck. Can you flap your wings like a hen? Wow, look! It's an elephant. Can you say elephant? E-le-phant. And it says Pawoo. Here comes a dog. Can you bark like a dog? Woof, woof, woof. This is a cat. It says meow, meow. Can you say it too? That's a sheep. It says Baaaa, Baaaa. Great job, friends. You met all the animals today. Let's say their names one more time. Cow, hen, elephant, dog, cat, sheep. See you next time for more animal fun with little hands, big dreams.